Example problem 3 asks us for the speed of sound. So we're looking for C of S. It gives us a bulk modulus and it gives us a density. So we know that the formula we're going to be using is C of S equals the square root of the bulk modulus divided by density. So at this point we can fill in what we know here. So B is going to be 9.14 times 10 to the minus 6 divided by the density, which is 1.02 kilograms per meters minus 3. And so in our calculators, you can go ahead and open up the square root button. So open parentheses, 9.14 second e to the minus 6 divided by 1.02 close parentheses. And that is going to give you a speed of sound that is 2.99 times 10 to the minus 3 meters per second. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 3.